my name is Annika, one of the creative team members from NBK-Design. The products you will see in this video were received free of charge as part of my free creative team work for NBK-Design. This time we will make the February calendar sheet. We already did January, and I have shown you how you can change the color of these words here, which are blue. And we did this with the color range, and now I will show you another way. I think this is much better. So zoom in that you can see the area you want to change the color, and because it's only a word or a number, we need to zoom in that we can pick this color. So go to Image and Adjustments, and this time we go to Replace Color. And here you get these eyedroppers. Pick the first one, and now go to the color here, click, and now we click into the color we want to change. So, and press OK. And here now you can directly click into the window and choose a color if you want, or you can do this with the sliders here and change the saturation and hue and whatever you want. So let's change this to something like this and press OK. And we do this with red too. Go to Image, Adjustments, Replace Color, and we click into the color, and then we choose something something like this is fine. Okay, and press OK. So, and now I will use the February collection from 2018, and I will use this red bold background paper. And if we zoom in, so now you can see, we can see the former red numbers here. We changed them into this white and yellow for the former cyan. And this time I will also use a photo, and it's February. Of course we need something with love, and we drag it on top. And in this collection we have the out of the box frames. Let's have a look here, and we grab this one. So you can see you have multiple layers, so that we grab all, make the first layer active, and then shift and press the last layer, so all layers are active now, and we can drag it on top of our paper. And now we need to flip it, Control or Command T, right mouse click, and rotate it something like this is fine. And then I need a copy of my photo, Control or Command J, because I have two masks, this one and this one, and I will clip in both masks a photo. So I drag the first to the top of the first mask, and then I press Alt and click, so now it's clipped. And the next photo to the second mask, again Alt and clip, and now the photo is clipped. And you can see the mask is a little bit bigger, so I will just resize it. Okay. I want to move the photo and the frames a little bit, so make the first layer active and the last layer from this frame, shift, and now you select it all and you can move it, and you still can see the mask is a little bit bigger, so I will resize it. This one, okay, and the other mask too. And you can see the end of the mask here, so I minimize it, and now you have the end of the mask, and you can minimize this. Okay, now it's fine. And now you can go on and decorate your sheet. We changed the color, this time with another way, with image adjustment and replace color. And this time I used a photo, and now you can go on and add more elements if you want. So I will do this now, and you can see my final calendar sheet at the Artology group. And thanks for watching, and see you. Bye.